So I've got my solar panels over there. My solar pump out in the dam over there. So she's not working because the wire's busted. So Bullock's gotten in the dam paddock. He's at his sharp hoof, goes straight through the submersible pump cable. It's gone straight through the positive, straight through the earth. It's all wrecked. So we better cut this and rejoin it back together. First things first, we've gone up and we've turned the pump off at the control box, so we don't have any electricity in through this cable. So I got all these wires cut back with a bit of bare wire exposed in each one. I'm going to use these solder shrink connections today, and I really should have a big bit of shrink wrap to put over the top of all this to keep it waterproof, but I don't have any of that right now, so these will have to do, and it's up out of the water right now anyway, so that'll be good enough for today. So I've got this cordless Makita heat gun that I'm going to use to shrink these solder stick connections today. Something like this is really good because I don't have to worry about bringing a generator all the way out here to try and run a corded heat gun, and it's a lot safer to do this kind of work out here in the paddock with something like this instead of a blowtorch. So I've got the 4 wires joined, and I only took 1 bar of battery life out of a 5 amp hour battery. Okay, moment of truth. It's working. Let's check she's pumping.